Hello everyone, experiencing no internet, no Wi-Fi or slow speeds on Verizon. In this video, we will show you how to fix these common issues quickly and easily. Let's get your connection back on track. What caused Verizon no internet, no Wi Fi, or slow speeds? Router issues such as needing a restart or reset, overloaded network with too many connected devices, service outages in your area, incorrect network settings on your device or router, VPN usage that slows down connection speed, faulty or loose cable connecting the modem and router. Fix 1. Check airplane mode. Turn on or off airplane mode to refresh the network connection after you have restarted the device. You will be connected to the new strong network connection. Swipe down to the quick settings, turn off airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn on airplane mode. Fix 2. Check Verizon coverage. There might be a coverage issue in your area. Go to Verizon's check coverage page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your address and press enter to coverage. Fix say change network mode. Changing the network mode on your mobile device can help optimize connectivity and resolve issues related to signal strength and performance. Changing network mode on Android. Open settings, look for internet and network or connections. Mobile network, go to network mode. If you have a dual SIM, you can choose the network mode for each SIM card. From the drop down menu, select the network mode you want, example 2G, 3G, 4G, or 5G, and it will be set automatically. Changing network mode on iOS, open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, cellular data option or mobile data option, choose voice and data. To see your network option, select from available options like 4G, 5G on or 5G auto depending on your device capabilities. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can resolve data networking issues by restoring all network related configurations to their default state, which help eliminate problem caused by corrupted settings, outdated connection, or misconfigured parameters. To reset network settings on iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. For Android, access the Settings app, navigate to System or General Management, select Reset options, and then tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm the action to complete the reset. Fix 5. Check APN details. Changing APN settings can resolve data issues because they dictate how your mobile device connects to the internet and communicates with your carrier's network. For iOS devices, open settings, go to cellular or mobile data, tap on cellular data options or mobile data network. Enter APN details, APN VZW Internet MMSC http mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms and MMS port 80. Leave the remaining fields empty. Exit the settings. Changes are saved automatically. For Android devices, open settings, tap on network and internet or connections, mobile network, access point name plus icon to add a new APN. Enter APN details, name Verizon APN VZW Internet MMSC http mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms and MMS port 80. Leave the remaining fields empty to save to confirm the new APN settings. Check Verizon balance. If your balance is low or depleted, it could explain connectivity issues, prompting you to either purchase more data or adjust your plan accordingly. To check your Verizon balance, dial BAL #225 on your Verizon phone and press the call button. Listen for the automated voice response, then hang up. Alternatively, log into the My Verizon app or website where your balance will be displayed on the overview page. To check data usage, open the My Verizon app or a website, tap the Account tab. If prompted, enter a password, fingerprint, or a Face ID. Tap Usage to view total data available and total data used. To view each line usage, scroll to the See Who Using What section. Fix 7. Check router connections. If you are using Wi Fi connections, check your internet connection. Ensure all cables connected to your router are secure. If you have a network interface module, make sure it is plugged in properly. Turn off your router, unplug and plug all the cables and turn on your device. Reset the router. If resetting doesn't work, locate the reset button on your router if available and press it. Alternatively, unplug the router for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Fix 8. Relocate your router and disconnect unused devices. Move your router to a more central location in your home to reduce interface from walls or electronic devices like microwave and cordless phones. Disconnect your devices that are not in use to free up bandwidth, especially if multiple devices are streaming or downloading simultaneously. Fix 9. Avoid VPNs. If you are using a virtual private network, disconnect from it and test your internet speed again, as a VPNs can slow down your connection.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.